In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your period flow intensity in the Clue app on iPhone. This quick walkthrough will help you log your flow clearly and consistently so your cycle insights stay accurate over time. Accurate tracking can make patterns easier to spot and can be helpful when discussing symptoms or cycle changes with a healthcare professional. Start by opening the Clue app on your iPhone. When the app launches, it typically takes you to your home or tracking screen and defaults to today's date. If you've just updated the app, the layout may look slightly refreshed, but the core steps remain the same. Next, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap the plus icon, often labeled Track. This is your entry point for adding anything you want to record that day. If you have multiple tabs at the bottom, the Track button is usually centered and easy to spot. From here, navigate to the Period section. This is where Clue groups all period-related options together. If you see different categories arranged as tiles or a list, select the one clearly labeled Period. Depending on your version, it may be represented with a simple label or an icon that indicates menstruation. If it isn't immediately visible, lightly scroll through the available categories until you find it. Inside the Period section, you'll see the flow intensity choices. Choose the level that best reflects your experience today: light, medium, or heavy. Pick the option that matches the most cumulative flow for the day, not just a single moment. If you're unsure, medium is a reasonable middle ground, and you can always adjust later if needed. Over time, staying consistent with how you define light, medium, and heavy will make your cycle charts more meaningful. After you've selected the flow intensity, tap Save. This confirms your entry and adds it to your daily log. Some versions may autosave selections, but tapping Save ensures your information is stored. You should see a brief confirmation or see your choice reflected in today's record. That's it. You've successfully logged your period flow intensity in Clue. Doing this each day of your period helps the app provide better cycle predictions and trends. If you need to edit your choice later in the day, return to the same tracking view and update your selection, then save again. Keep your entries consistent and you'll get the most accurate insights from Clue over time.